OnRamp is a digital customer onboarding platform specifically designed to streamline and automate repetitive manual workflows to free up CS teams for high-value relationship building and revenue-driving work. Most OnRamp customers use the product as a bridge between their CRM, Salesforce or HubSpot, and their CSP if they've got one. CRMs are great at tracking the sales cycle, and CSPs at monitoring ongoing customer health, but neither are built to engage the customer and activate value to get them from signed to success quickly. OnRamp is a B2B2B platform with two distinct interfaces: a simple customer portal to engage your end users with guided workflows and in-app collaboration, and an internal project management view for building out customer journeys, actively managing onboarding projects, and real-time visibility and reporting into progress and roadblocks. I'm going to start with the customer portal view, which is what your end customers will experience when going through onboarding or implementation with your product. As soon as a deal is won, CRM automation invites your new customer into a personalized, branded onboarding portal with one-time authentication. No logins or passwords needed. They land in a simple, guided experience, much like a TurboTax, with to-dos built on top of workflows based on specified criteria. Tasks could include watching training videos, completing surveys or forms, scheduling a kickoff call, or uploading information and documents. If your customer gets stuck or needs help, they can add a team member to the project to jump in and take care of a task, or comment directly in the platform for support from your team. It's asynchronous, gamified with progress tracking and little pops of confetti, and personalized so customers move faster and stay more engaged. Instead of chasing down emails or weekly update calls, your customers always know where they stand and what's next, and your teams get real-time visibility into what's done and what's stuck. Next, let's hop into the internal interface, the project management side that your internal teams will see and use. Upon login, you land on a home dashboard view. This provides a great overview of what you need to be doing across all of your active projects. You get full visibility into the status of your onboardings, color-coded by what's on track, off track, or what's at risk. The most foundational layer of OnRamp is playbooks, which are repeatable onboarding templates that can be quickly leveraged across your most common use cases. Maybe it's SMB versus mid-market versus enterprise onboardings. Or maybe you have multiple products that require unique onboarding journeys. Playbooks are made up of modules and tasks, which allow you to further standardize the smaller elements of onboarding and edit projects on the fly. Using the task builder, you're able to drag and drop conditional workflows that easily guide your end user through the perfect onboarding journey based on their specific needs. Modules are groups of tasks that often signify milestones in the onboarding journey. They are linkable so you can edit a module once, and the updates will go live across all the active playbooks that module lives in. Real-time project tracking allows you to see project progress, identify risks earlier, and proactively resolve bottlenecks. Whether you want a list view, a calendar, or a Gantt chart, you can easily identify when things are due or what's overdue. And if customers are running behind, you can send a quick nudge, or you can set up automated reminders to drive them back into their portal and keep them engaged without wasting time chasing endless follow-ups or updates. At OnRamp, we know the power that onboarding has in driving revenue. We hear it from our customers every day. Whether it's consumption-based business models, better expansion opportunities, or smoother renewals, onboarding is your company's first impression that sets the stage for a long-term partnership and growth. At the end of the day, our goal is customer engagement. How do we get your customer more engaged throughout their onboarding journey and get them to their definition of value faster? This is just a quick look at what's possible with OnRamp. If you're ready to speed up time to value for your customers and time to revenue for your business, we'd love to show you more.